So what you're gonna need is a Steam account. So just go and Google Steam, and it's probably the first link. Go to login, and then create an account. I already have an account, so I'm not gonna go through the whole process, but yeah, just create an account and just log in. And now go to csfloat.com. This is the website we're gonna use to buy skins, and tap on sign in. Okay, now go to deposit, and I'm just gonna use crypto. I have some money in my MetaMask account, but okay, let's just go with 58. Okay, crypto. So I'm gonna have to do my KYC. Yeah, okay, let's do it. I'm not gonna show this on video, but yeah, just continue. Okay, so that took like 1 minute. You have to give them. We'll send a picture of your ID and a selfie. Okay, so I'm verified. So deposit 58 crypto. I agree. Pay. Processing fee. Okay, continue. Okay. You're probably not going to be interested in this because you're most likely going to deposit from your bank account. Payment successful, 58.59. Okay, 59 cents was the fee. Now let's try to buy some cases. Okay, so Snakebite case. Okay, so let's try to buy about 100 cases. 46 cents. Place order. Yes. Okay. Profile. Transactions. Okay. Okay, so if you go to trades, you can see all the sellers, and they have to accept the sale and send the skins, the cases. It takes a while, but yeah, we just have to wait. Okay, so we're still waiting. Okay, so this user has accepted. Trade offer. Confirm. Accept. Okay. Close window. So we got our case. So I set my buy order at 46 cents. So there's no more available cases at that price. I'm just gonna wait it out. Okay, actually, let's just go and buy some at 47 cents because I just don't want to wait anymore. So let's delete this buy order. So Snakebite case, 47 cents. Okay, and let's buy 100 cases. Double check the price per item. Okay, yes. Okay. So transactions, we just bought a bunch of cases. So now if you go to trades and refresh the page, I was already on the trades page. So I have purchased 100 cases from this seller. We're just waiting for the guy to accept. Yeah, and he's gonna trade. Send the trade offer. We're gonna accept. And that's it. That should be it.
One eternity later.
Okay, so we got the Steam offer. Now we have to accept the offer, the trade. completed. Okay. Okay, so that's all done. So we're 1 hour and 37 minutes in. I'm gonna crop the video. I mean, at this point, you probably know that I cropped the video. Okay, so it took 1 hour and a half to buy about 100 cases, 120 cases. The process went smooth. It was pretty straightforward. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's how you invest in CS skins and cases. And yeah, just if this video has been useful, just I don't know, subscribe and like and comment and yeah, that's it.